Hi guys, today we're gonna see how to make some bone like this, starting with a piece of walnut. So we start first by rounding the piece of walnut with a roughing gouge, like this. So once it's round, we need to set up the diameter. I know that my bone has to be 15 millimeters. I have a caliber. $15.34. Now my bone is gonna start here and it's gonna look like this. So I need to report this measure right here. Now it's 1093, which is close enough. Now I want to arrive here at 6 millimeters and then I'm gonna do the base. Now I can start to do the base with the spindle gouge. Now here, with the free chisel, I need to make this 10. So now just a little bit of sanding. We start with 180 grit and then we increase. Now I just need to sand the head with some sanding paper, and then I'm going to use the EU Ultra Shine. This is a paste wax with abrasive powder, with Tripoli powder, which is a very fine abrasive, which gives a very shiny texture. And then I will finish with AUSSIE oil. So now that it's round, we start to put a tiny little bit of the paste wax. We don't need much, just a little bit. It's even too much perhaps. And then with a piece of cloth we start. So you can see the difference between this bone, which is sand at 400 grades, and this one with the Ultra Shine. Check out the color, it's completely different and it's very shiny. Now we need to put some oil. Once we've done with that, we just need to cut it and the pone is ready.